Hello all. Are you a new UPSC aspirant who's just too tensed up with all the current affair materials in the market? Or a working aspirant who's just confused as to what current topics to read in the minimal 3 or 4 study hours that you have? Or better yet, are you the UPSC aspirant who worked really hard on studying the innumerable textbooks and crammed up piles of current affair materials for Prelims 2018? Well, you are not alone. With each passing year, UPSC Prelims is becoming unpredictable. This difficulty quotient is mainly due to the alien questions or topics which find no mention in any of the current market materials and leaves a normal aspirant thinking, where do they find these questions from? And here enters Current Affair Plus. Current Affair Plus is a Prelims exclusive current affair program that employs a proven and successful strategy. We undertake an extensive coverage of not just current affairs, but the broad spectrum of relevant information surrounding the current affairs. And this is exactly why we call it the Plus strategy and our program, Current Affair Plus. This strategy proved to be a lifesaver for many of our CAP students in Prelims 2018, where most questions required knowledge about the core of an issue and not just the peripheral current affair. In CAP 2019, we intend to deliver Prelims focused classes covering 15 months of current affairs starting from Jan 2018 to March 2019. It's a 45-session program covered in 3 phases and organized on specific themes. For example, while the regular materials would just give out information of all economy-related topics randomly, at CAP, we organize it on heads like ideas, economic institutions, events, government interventions, etc., thus helping the aspirant to study and recollect in a better manner. Besides that, we provide a one-stop comprehensive material covering 8 national newspapers, PIB and magazines like Yojana, Kurukshetra, Science Reporter and Down to Earth. And overall, we even provide a curated personal mentorship facility to keep track of your progress. Besides all this, we are introducing 4 very innovative elements for your effective learning. Daily classroom tests that we like to call the Grandmaster Challenge for your effective revision. 6 exclusive CAP mock tests for your effective retention. A very special How to Crack Prelims 2019 workshop for your effective guidance. And finally, a mains takeaway handout that you will receive at the end of the class that consists of Prelims facts that can be used to enrich your general studies answers. If you have any further queries, drop a call or visit our website given in the description below. And if you've already made up your mind, well, welcome to the road of success for Prelims 2019. It's time that we let go of our minuses and focused on the plus.